Hello dear students, very good morning to you. Welcome you all to English language class again. Hope all of you are doing fine and enjoying your online classes. So wish you all a happy learning. Now today we'll do here chapter comparison of adjectives, and I'll give you some new information today about adjectives. We learn how to use correctly few adjectives. There are some adjectives which are very important and confusing as well. So if you want to learn the correct uses of those adjectives, you have to learn the rules and you have to understand them. So before you start, let me remind you, if you think you have gained these skills at the chapter comparison of adjectives, it means that you must know the difference between the two sentences. He is one of the best boy in this school and he is one of the best boys in this school. He is one of the best boys because after one of you are using plural, you know very well, he is one of the best boys in this school. So if you have understood the difference between these two sentences and you can rewrite these sentences without any doubt, without any fear and correctly, it means you have learned comparison of adjectives. So he is one of the best boys in this school. Very few boys are as good as he is. Very few boys in this school are as good as he is. So one way you have written these sentences without changing its meaning, and second may be said, he is better than most other boys in this school. He is better than most other boys in this school. Very few boys are as good as he is in this school, or very few boys in this school are as good as he is. And third is there, he is one of the best boys in this school. Second, he is the best boy in this school. It means no other boy in this school is as good as he is, and he is better than any other boy in this school. Now let's begin today's learning. So here is the correct uses of some adjectives. So here we will be, first set is there, later, latest, L-A-T-E-R, later, L-A-T-E-R, this is later, there is a pressure, later, L-E-T-T-E-R, that is letter, letter, here it is, later. So later and latest, both express time, I will come later. You are busy right now. If you are busy right now, I'll talk to you later. So later suggests time. And latest, do you know the latest news? So latest also suggests time. Do you know the latest news? Now next is there latter and last. Latter and last both suggest position or sequence. Latter and last both suggest position or sequence. And latter meaning latter meaning is second in the sequence out of two items. Suppose in a group there are only two items. If you are referring to the second one, you will say latter. the latter part of the movie is excellent. It is movie has been divided into two parts, first half and second half. So if you are saying the latter part of the movie is excellent, it means you are referring to the second part. And then what is the word for the first in order out of two? Okay, when you are referring to the first in the sequence out of two, then what is the word for that? That is former. Former part of the former part of the movie is excellent. This means you are talking about the first part. Now the last here, the last also suggests position or sequence. Okay, I am going through the last chapter of the story of the novel. Okay, so go through means read. I am going through means I am reading the last chapter. Okay. Now here other sets of rules are elder, eldest. Elder and eldest are only used for human beings and belonging to the same family. Elder and eldest cannot be used for things or animals. These are generally used for human beings belonging to the same family. Here, he is my elder brother. Brother belongs to the same family. Here you can say, my brother is older than me by 3 years. But if you use elder, then you cannot use than. After elder, you always use to. So he is elder to me. My brother is elder to me by 3 years. You can also use his my brother is older than me by 3 years. If you use older, you can use than. If you use elder, you have to use to. After elder, you cannot use than. Now here, he is the eldest among the 3 brothers. He is the eldest. Okay, eldest is also used for the persons only and belonging to the same family. Now we are older and oldest. Older and oldest both can be used not only for human being, but for things as well. See, this temple is oldest in the town. This temple is oldest in the town. Now, oldest is used for thing, that is temple. So no other temple is older than this temple in the town. He is older than me by 5 years. I have already told you, if you use here elder, then he is elder to me by 5 years. Next set of adjectives is of farther and further. Okay. So here there is in pronunciation there is inclination towards far. It will far. So it is farther. Okay. But here it is further. But when these words are pronounced, they sound like same. So that's why it is confusing. When the people pronounce fast, it also sounds like farther. And this is also farther. That is confusing. But here it is. You have to give pressure for far. See here. But here it is fur, long sound, fur. Farther expresses distance. But further will express something extra, something additional. Okay? Here Delhi is farther from Kolkata. So your farther is expressing distance. Delhi is farther from Kolkata than it is from Matusky-Ganj. Now, do you have any further question? Do you have any further doubt? Do you have any further query? The further means additional, extra. Okay. Now again, there is nearest and next. So nearest again suggests distance. which bank is the nearest from here? Okay, so Bank of India is the nearest bank from this place. Okay, a Bank of India is the nearest bank in Ranchi from here. So here nearest suggests distance, but next suggests position or sequence. Okay, what is your next question? This is actually order or sequence. In this way, you have understood the usage of few adjectives correctly and what are the difference. I hope you will keep on your mind. And now your homework will be, you have to do the exercise assignment 1 and assignment 2. So here homework will be do assignment of page 229 and 230 because you have holidays. Because you have holidays tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and Sunday as well. That's why I'm giving you 2 assignments. Okay? So we finish our class here now. Wish you happy learning. Bye bye.